What's going on, guys? Marcus from Wall Street Assassins back at it again with another video. We're watching ticker SPY over here, the S&P 500 on the 180-day chart. You can see that we've basically been having some sideways action. So I'm definitely watching for that 380.63 to be broken before we can start pushing up towards that 381. We have been going sideways. Typically, when stocks are going sideways, we get a lot of illiquid move, not good opportunities in the market. So definitely want to see us make some nice moves and pick a direction. If we do start to come down, we're going to look for that 378.56 to be broken, and I believe we could retest that 377. Couple stocks on the watch list, can't go without talking about NEO. So NEO over here, you can see that it's basically having some sort of a pullback. We hit that 66.99 and it hasn't really broken it since. I'm looking for a possible short on the break of 61 down towards that 58. It has been running for a little bit, so I do believe it is overbought. So definitely waiting for that 61 down towards that 58. And if we break 66, we could probably go 66.99. I believe we could go up towards that 70. Next one on the watch list is going to be Tesla. So can't go without talking about Tesla. Also, the EV market is absolutely on fire. You can see Tesla had a nice pullback yesterday. It wasn't too drastic, although that the stock is trading at a higher price number. We are holding above the 800 pretty nicely. You can see that pre-market, we are starting to look like we're bouncing right now. So definitely want to watch. If we start to basically hold above this key level, I believe if we get above 850, 852, we can start pushing up towards that 884. And if we basically break through this level right here, we probably drop from 830 down towards that 805. So definitely want to watch that for Tesla today. Watching Zoom. So I think Zoom did an offering today. So looking at the 180-day chart, I kind of want to give you guys a bigger picture over here. So we can see that she actually broke this key support that we were watching in our last few videos. That's why I said always wait for confirmation before you guys look to get in. We had a double bottom over here. It looks like it's breaking through that level. We're making a low right now around like that 326. I believe once she breaks 320, which is like somewhere over here, we can start dropping down towards that 300. So that's like a little $20 move. She is oversold. As you guys can see, if a stock is oversold, it could continue to sell off. So always wait for confirmation before you guys look to get in for up or downward trend. If she does start to come back up, we could zoom in over here. I believe above that 340, we could start pushing up towards that 350, 360 levels. Next one. PLTR, definitely want to watch this one. This one is on the watch list this morning. A break of 26.50. We could start pushing up towards that 29 level. It is trying to hold my SMA line over here. Definitely want to keep this on the watch list. If we do start to come down, I'll probably trust it more for a short on the break of 25, and then we can start getting down towards like 24 and maybe even retest 22, as it is looking like it is getting overbought and we're hitting a previous resistance level. So definitely want to be cautious with this one and keep this on the watch. Next one we want to watch is Walmart. I believe Walmart actually has a deal that is trying to push through. So definitely want to watch to see what's going on with this one as well too. We could see that we're hitting a previous resistance level. If we jump over to the 20-day, I believe this is the 20-day high. It hit a 20-day high of $151.24. So that's going to be the number that I'm waiting for a possible break. You can see that it hit that number and it hasn't really broken it since. We have had that level of B resistance before. So if we do break that 151.41, I believe we could start testing that 153 levels and start going a little bit higher from there. As you guys can see, we are kind of selling off a little bit. It kind of spiked up to that level and then it's selling off right now. If we do start to come down 147 down towards 146, and then we could go a little bit lower. It looked like it is overbought. This level has been a previous overbought level before. So definitely want to keep that on watch as well too. Last but not least, I want to look at Apple. So Apple, pretty much on a downward trend right now. It hasn't confirmed an upward trend. It looks like it's consolidating around this area right here. You can see this level has been some type of support recently at that 128.48. I believe if we break 130, we could start pushing up towards 132, maybe even get up towards that 138. If not, we could look at a sign of weakness from 128 down towards that 136. That's going to be it for today. Comment down below what stocks you guys are watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video, and stay tuned.